Hi, this is Carly Van Waveren for the Clipboard Healthcare Design Challenge, and I just wanted to make a very brief video to go through the screens that I created to solve the tasks that I was given. And so here, this is just the account screen. This is just a rough recreation of the one that you guys provided. And so to go and upload our documents, we're going to go ahead and click on the Documents tab. And here I chose to utilize an empty state screen. I think empty state screens are really good at communicating to users that they need to take some kind of action to fill in this screen. So here it says, looks like you're new here. To get started with Clipboard Health, you'll need to upload a few required documents before you can book a shift. So they're going to go ahead and click start. Now they know what they're doing. They're uploading documents that are necessary to book shifts. And so here, this is the upload documents screen. You can see that each one of these has just the document name. As I said in the Word document that I attached, I believe that our users, who are primarily going to be physicians, are very intelligent, they're very busy people. I do not think that they need a large body of text explaining what every single document is. I think that just the words, TB test or yearly physical, things like that are clear enough to get the point across. Now, however, if one of the users can't figure out what a document means, they can scroll down, and here we have a help button. And when they click on that help button, there will be a pop-up that will go more in depth as to what each document requires from them. So going back up here, we can see that they can select their upload method. They can choose if they want to take a photo, or they can choose if they'd like to attach it directly from their device. So here, I'm just going to click attach directly, and then there will be a pop-up where they can select what they want to upload. And so once it's uploaded here, we're going to see that it has filled in. That's to indicate that this one has uploaded versus all of these are still yet to be uploaded. And it will tell them the day that it was added, and it will let them know that it is still pending approval. So they can very easily check the status of their documents from this screen. It will either say pending approval or approved. And now say that they accidentally selected the wrong document and they want to change it back out. They want to re-upload a different document, then they're just going to press this X here, and it will revert it back to the unuploaded state, and they can again choose how they want to upload it. So let's assume now that they've gone down the line, they've uploaded everything. We can see here everything's been added, it's all pending approval. And so at the bottom, once they've uploaded everything, there'll be a continue button. And then we're going to see a second empty state screen. And again, this is just to let them know that they aren't completely finished. And this one just says, we'll notify you when your documents are approved. In the meantime, we recommend you upload some additional facility-specific documents so that you can book a wider range of shifts. Now, if the user doesn't want to upload these documents at this point, they can click this Skip for Now button and come back to it later. Or say they want to go ahead and do those facility-specific documents, they can click Continue. And then here, the recommended documents, the layout is very similar to the core documents layout because we want consistency throughout the app. So now say that I've been a user for a while, my documents have been uploaded, I've booked a few shifts, we're going to go back to that main screen. And here I can see that there is an alert of some kind. There is something going on with one of my documents. It's in orange, so I'm going to click on that. And here it lets me know that, oh, I need to re-upload this document because it is expiring soon. And for the sake of simplicity, I just kept everything in numerical order. However, say document 6 was expiring, it would bring it to the top too so that it is in the forefront of what the user's focusing on. And again, they would just need to hit this X button and it would go back to the unuploaded state where it would let them re-upload something. So that is my design challenge. Thank you guys so much for reaching out. I would be happy to clarify any questions you have, and I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you so much.